Welcome back everybody to part 3 of a 3-course meal plan where I'm using only ingredients found in my house, no grocery store allowed, to make a 3-course meal. We made tuna cakes in the first video, Caesar dressing, and a beautiful Caesar salad in the last video last week, and today is the best one, dessert. Let's go ahead and make this keto mousse. Now we're gonna make this mousse the old-fashioned way. We're gonna make it by hand. Now, of course, this is gonna require heavy whipping cream. If you have regular cream, this is not gonna work. So unless you got this in the fridge, you might have to go to the grocery store, pick up some heavy whipping cream. And we're gonna be doing this by hand with a whisk and a bowl. You just gotta keep whipping, and whipping, and whipping, and whipping, making a mess, and whipping and making a mess, and eventually you give up and you use your power tools. I have an immersion blender with a whipping attachment. If you have a egg beater, that'll work too.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Just know that the power tool one makes a little bit of a mess. Anyways, we are on to our sweeteners. I've got 3 sweeteners in my pantry. Swerve, very famous sweetener, but it's too grainy and it's never gonna dissolve. So we're not using that. I also have Xyla. Xyla's great too, but that also takes a little while to dissolve. My favorite right now is allulose. So on top of allulose, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then a half a cup of our cocoa powder. And you've probably seen this cocoa powder before in my chocolate recipe videos. And we have some nice smooth peanut butter. I'm adding about 4 tablespoons in. Of course, if you want a thicker texture, go ahead and keep adding more peanut butter in. Now we're gonna add a chefy ingredient here. We're gonna add some high quality flaky sea salt. Fleur de sel will work here if you have that. But don't go adding like regular table salt to this. It's not gonna work. You wanna have something delicate. At this point, it's as simple as getting the right texture. Now we're not done whipping just yet. We're gonna have to keep whipping until you see the peaks nice and stiff, just like this, and the texture looks kind of similar. Now this is the final course of our 2 other courses, our tuna cakes and our Caesar salad, where I show you how to make your own Caesar salad dressing. I highly recommend that video. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification so you can be one of the first ones to know when a new video comes out. And of course, guys, I'm so happy that you joined me. Share this video with someone you know that would love it. And as always, keep it keto, stay healthy. Peace.